Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer News Update bafethu. I-agent lakaVelebayi finally selikhulumile ngendaba kaVelebayi ukuthi beyi-draining kangakanani, but into engiyinothisile ayishilo laphana ebalulekile uthi umthetho webhola bafethu umthetho bewungeke ushintshe, and i-Cape Town Spurs beyingana-chance ukuthi iwine le case le, uthi bekazi ukuthi ekugcineni yibo abazowina because of ama-rules akhona laphana, ama-rules abekwe i-DC. Uthi noma kuthiwa i-Cape Town Spurs bona bebachoose ukuthi baze bafike ku-FIFA, but umthetho there is no way ukuthi i-professional footballer liyodlala i-amateur football. Bona uthi bazama ukusebenzisa lezi zinto lezi ukuthi ba-develop i-player bayalithanda, but ukuthi uma ubheka nje overall hayi bebangeke bawina. I remember this one thing bafowethu, ulokhu njani uLance Davis uke wakhala ngale ndaba lekaVelebayi. uVelebayi angithi bekumele ngabe ujoine i-Kaizer Chiefs, I think 2 years back. Wakhala ukuthi hayibo labantu u-Cape Town Spurs bafuna ukupriza uVelebayi same prize as u-Apolis. Uma ubheka ukuthi u-Apolis that time bedlalela iBafana Bafana ne-AFCON zonke lezo zinto lezo, but bona bafuna i-prize same as u-Apolis that time. So uyabona ukuthi vele abantu aba-greedy kakhulu bafowethu laba, bebangafuni ukuthi iy'ngane y'phumelele. But moving away from, but yeah, the coolest thing ukuthi uVelebayi sekadlalile for i-Kaizer Chiefs and abantu ba-excited kakhulu ukumbona, and already sebayampraise ukuthi uzoba important kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. uThoko Vilakazi bafethu uthe i-Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukufika ku-CAF Confederations Cup final. Uthi there's something about i-Kaizer Chiefs wayiyeka ukuyishaya kuma-opening round or kuma-early stages of the competition, wayiyeka. I-Kaizer Chiefs noma kuthiwa ayidlali kahle, but guess what, inendlela yayo ukuthi ikwazi ukufika ku-final. Uthi yena uyayibona i-Kaizer Chiefs ifika laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup final. Uthi uke wabatshela that time i-Kaizer Chiefs ilaphana ku-Champions League labantu asebenza nabo abanye, uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izofika ku-final. Ngiyayazi le team le ukuthi somehow noma kuthiwa yenzi kahle but iyakwazi ukufika ku-final, especially kuma-cup competitions ungayi-underestimate. Guess what, iyakwazi ukufika-ke lapho. So uyathemba ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoyenza ngcono kakhulu ku-CAF Confederations Cup, but-ke it's not gonna be easy. Ngifuna ukungena komunye umuntu, abanye abantu I'm sure bayamazi, uThabang Roy bafowethu, former defender le-Kaizer Chiefs. Bamazi kahle naye, ukhona kushilo laphana nge-Kaizer Chiefs uthi izinto kumele uqhubeke i-Kaizer Chiefs, izinto zinje, izinto zizobabhedela ngempela, zizobakhosta kakhulu. Into akhulume ngayo ukuthi uthi ucabanga ukuthi kuma-group stages kuzoba nzima kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba o-coach abakho consistent. So ukhala ngendaba yokuthi o-coach ba-change ama-line-up njalo. Uthi uma ubheka laphana uthi uyabheka this game omunye kuma-stands le phezulu akekho laphana ebhentshini, uthi next week uyaqala i-match. Uthi uma ubheka kahle kahle i-consistency ayikho laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, usho ukuthi continuity ukhuluma ngayo. And then uthi ama-players they are not used to each other. Uthi-ke ubona inkinga, uthi there's no situation. Uthi la uma ubheka ku-Kaizer Chiefs ama-player anokudlala ama-game let's say 3 games or 4 games consecutive, uthi alikho mani i-player edlala 3-4 game consecutive. Kuba le obvious akhona bafethu, especially laphana emuva, but-ke wenza i-example ngoFrost la. Wathi uFrost uyadlala 1 or 2 games, then uSolomon sokungena yena 1 or 2 games naye, then-ke uthi kumele akwazi ukusotha out lezi zinto lezi. I think uzama ukusho la ukuthi ucoach noma ucoach be-Kaizer Chiefs kumele bazi ukuthi i-starting line-up sabo yini, ukuthi ama-player ajwayelane, abe ne-chemistry le akhala ngayo laphana yena. So ukhulume nangama-department a-different, even nalaphana kuma-attackers, lento la akhuluma ngayo ukuthi continuity ayikho, plus nelokhu njani consistency. Uthi last time uthi ubone uWandile Dube edlala laphana ku-left wing, and then-ke kwadlala i-new striker, and then uthi i-team kumele ikwazi uku-adapter overall. But-ke uthi-ke I have seen he can give us something. Kusho ukuthi maybe ukhuluma ngo-Igataro la i-striker esisha because si-mobile. Uthi uma ikhuluma about ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukushaya eSimba, uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile le ndlela le edlale ngayo, uthi for yena kumele baqhubeke ngempela, basebenze ngokuzikhandla, basebenzise futhi obviously team spirit, bangaya kude ngempela. Uthi bangakwazi ukucompete laphana kuma-group stages we-CAF Confederations Cup overall, kusho i-defender noma i-former defender le-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Yeah, you can't have, I think, yeah, the previous game le yaselikini, I don't know if ucoach bekabarestile for i-weekend, but uSolomons bele kuma-grandstand no noNgcobo belile kuma-grandstand. So siyabona ukuthi i-squad se-Kaizer Chiefs maybe siya-rotate-a, I don't know. But-ke kusho ukuthi abakabi ne-squad sabo abasaziyo ukuthi okay, this is the one. They keep changing and trying different combinations. Njengoba ushilo u-Cedric Keza ukuthi bazozama ama-different combinations. But hey, abantu bayakhala bayacomplain bafethu ngoPule Modi. Bathi kumele afocus manje ukuthi okay uzo-assista than ukuthi acabange ukushaya amagoli because of akayicabangi lento le. Wathola isikhala nje ufuna uku-take players on to beat ama-players kakhulu, egcine sebhekane ne-big opportunity noma nepali, but i-final product iyemletha down because uyahluleka uku-convert ama-opportunities. Uyakwazi ukuwa-create-a yes, but uyahluleka. Abantu abaningi bakhala ngokuthi mengafocusa ku-assist ama-players wakhe angawashaya ama-assist amaningi cause uyakwazi ukuzithola kuma-positions a-right ukuthi athole ama-golden opportunities, but into nje emshaya i-final product nje kuphela. Imagine this, ama-plays isikhathi esiningi aba-committed to yena because u-create ama-big opportunities. Mengazama nje ukuthi once aphase ibhola isikhathi esiningi acabangela amanye. I mean i-sense of urgency kuModi ayikho bafethu. And I spoke about this I think izolo ukuthi if uPule Modi una-32, mawuthi a-improve umuntu ona-32 uthi a-improveni cause lo muntu sekadlala ibhola bama-10 years or so ku-professional level. So mawuthi lowo muntu loyo ona-32 a-improve into ujwayele nje ukuziholdela ibhola. And it's very rare ubona uPule Modi uphethe ibhola umnika ibhola kunike lona same time if like ublockile. No, ufuna ulibamba litraphe amove enze imove yakhe whatever and then maybe kuzojika libuyisele emuva if like akanaplan. But isikhathi esiningi uyalibamba alihode taking players 1-2 on and then cut al-release. Decision making agency ayikho and ufuna ukushaya ngo-right isikhathi esiningi. There was a big opportunity lele elivele esayidini lakavele bayi waforce ukulitrapha wabhitha ukhipha, but-ke amajita bayi-3 hayi bakhalile abantu ngoPule Modi. Hayi kancane bafethu kakhulu bakhalile, but angazi ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi angikho sure ukuthi umuntu ona-32 khona into sazomtshela yona entsha. Hey, and more loku uyibona into yakhona cause ayiqala akusinto manje even last season decision making yakhe isikhathi esiningi ipoor. He's not a bad player njengoba bengishilo, but decision making kumele akwazi ukuyilungisa. There's something that I wanted to say ngingaze ngikhohlwe. There's something brilliant about Igataro. Igataro move neplay ibhola malise center uyadropa deep ayozikhollectela ibhola. Mabadlala kuma-winger so umbona ukhona lapha ne-18 umuva nebhola lalikhona naye ibhola ukhona Igataro. So i-positioning yakhe i-perfect. Look at this run. uLilepo is running lapha nesayidini lakhe taking players on, uyashooter, goalkeeper saver. He was able to be there, to be present and bounce and akwazi ukushaya lela bhola lela kube igoli. So i-striker lesi everywhere, une-energy, u-powerful, baluleke kakhulu for amakhosi. Kusho ukuthi nje uyakwazi ukurida igame kahle. Yiwo-ke ama-player bafethu lawa abalulekile akwazi ukurida igame kahle. Ngifuna ukubuyela kancane kuHlopho Kekana bafethu, khona into engiyidiscavile la. uTsiki Ntshabeleng weMamelodi Sundowns lapha eNigeria that time bawina 5-1. Waligibela ibhola ashaya i-showboating. I remember the moment I was watching the game. Waligibela ibhola. Hlopho Kekana zange asho lutho ngoTsiki Ntshabeleng, but ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs wona mawagibela ibhola or mawashaya iy'kili uyakhala ukuthi lento ayikho professional. Why angasho ngeplane leMamelodi Sundowns? Is it because usebenzele iMamelodi Sundowns, i-brand ambassador ukhona nakule podcast eMamelodi Sundowns? Akabe fair if uthi ayikho professional into akabatshele phela naba beMamelodi Sundowns bafethu ukuthi lento le abayenzayo noma abayenzile akusiyiyo. uTsiki Ntshabeleng ngimbonile mina ligibela lapha e-center ibhola. Ungene second half uTsiki waligibela ibhola. I'm sure leya moment le. So if uyajaja akajaje collectively not ukuthi aselect team eyodwa athi abe-Kaizer Chiefs kwasha kwacima baqale ngabe Mamelodi Sundowns, angacabanga ukuthi isinkwa sakhe sikuphi. Ajaje with fairness and then acomment with fairness. That's it. What an improvement bafethu from uCross. I remember there was a time la i-career yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs sonke besithi iphelile. Coach Nabi kuma-news outlets or ku-media bekasho ukuthi ufuna i-left back. Ngapha bekuno-Cross, kuno-Happy Mashiane, kuno-Dove, but still wathi ufuna i-left back uCoach Nabi. That is why ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazi ukusayina ama-left back awu-2. But guess what? U-improve kakhulu. I think it's one of the best players ku-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of like u-improve kwakhe. Where he was last season to where he is right now, improvement bafethu inkulu kakhulu. That is why ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa. Umuntu uba nalo, uhlezi analo i-plan as long as yena afuna uku-improve nanokuthi afuna ukuba ngcono, uya-improve umuntu bafowethu. Asibuyele kule nto le esilokhu esiphikisana ngayo back and forth kavele bayo ukuthi uya ku-D_D_C. Abantu abaningi bathi akaye, abanye bathi akangayi, abanye bathi mncane angayi ku-D_D_C team. Think about this bafowethu, i-D_D_C team ngeke im-challenge, ngeke im-improve, asibeni fair, there's no challenge lapha, ngeke im-improve ngalutho. Maybe-ke if bathi bona asifuna ukuhamba naye laphana siyodlala nabo Manchester United, then when he come back we'll see ukuthi uzobe kuphi in terms of image fitness, okay, maybe lapho ku-right. Abantu laba abavumayo, njengoba uyintanga kaMfundo Vilakazi uBatman, ningavuma ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi aye ku-D_D_C team na? So if angeke nivume, then you might as well not nivume about uVele bayo ukuthi aye ku-D_D_C team, because i-improvement ayikho at all bafethu. There will be no improvement ku-game model yakhe. Kumele abe tested, kufana noHlongwane, i-D_D_C team ngeke isam-improve, there's nothing to gain laphana ku-D_D_C team. Abamphose la, bekumele bachophe, bahambise ama-player amaningi laphana Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke they failed to do so. That is why bazithola kuma-situation la badlalisa nama-player abawaziyo ukuthi aya-underperforma. Even from last season lama-player lawo bewangabaniki lutho, but-ke they have no option than to play lama-player lawa bafowethu, which is not okay at all, because you are building a team, a formidable team, the team that is going to be strong, the team that is going to be powerful. I-team engakho based on i-history with last season they failed to do ini, manje they're playing to do whatever. I mean, like, build a solid strong team. Obviously laba abasalayo kumele baziprove, naba abo-Cross, whenever they're given an opportunity to play they give everything. Ongcobo nabo baphakamisa isandla, umthetho naye seka-improvile. So I think the coolest thing about esingayihlonipha about ama-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs, as much as nawo ngingawaboni as-strong ngaleyo ndlela bafethu ukuthi angakwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs to greater height, ba-improve ama-player amaningi kakhulu. Babhilivela kuma-player wabo. I think they said something about umthetho laphana uBen mekhuluma ngomthetho ukuthi ubasiza kangakanani, and mina didn't see, I know ukuthi umthetho uyakwazi ukuperforma, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs he was letting people down. So but ucoach there's something abayibona, because bona bamjimisa njalo, but I think bathanda i-aggression yakhe, because you need that physique e-Africa, even naku-P_S_L, to have that intimidation. That's the same thing eyenzeka ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi banombokazi, umbokazi super powerful. So into ebasizayo, I think if you have a player eli-strong ethimini eli-powerful, kufana nokuthi nine+1, because uyakwazi ukuvala kuma-department amaningi overall. But yeah, sobona bafethu, uCoach Nabi, ngike ngakhuluma ukuthi uDubu poste uCoach Nabi. uCoach Nabi bafethu, sibeni fair, ukwazile ukunika abanye abadlali laphana ama-opportunities, because uDuba bekamthemba kakhulu. I remember uDuba first game against Orlando Pirates, before i-final bekuyi-second game of yaselikini, but-ke it was i-first game because bebadlala back to back weekends. uDuba wayengekho lapho because he was suspended for that game. The next weekend ku-Nedbank Cup final uDuba bekakuphi, udlalile. Why? Because of i-coach iyabhilivela. In a way bekhona ama-player uCoach nababhilivela kuwo, ombonayo ukuthi uCoach nabayilaba uyabathemba. uDuba was one of them. NoShabalala beyikhona leyo nto leyo, but-ke yena bekaziletha down at some point. For the past couple of years bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs have really produced like good players, but I think the mental blockage yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi-ke abantu badila nani mebadlalela le team le, into mhlawumbe ecindezela abafana noboDubu ukuthi okay angaba talented, but-ke kumanye ama-department uyacindezeleka. Ngcobo same thing, he might be talented but mhlambe liyamsinda, ibheji le-Kaizer Chiefs liyamsinda. uShabalala he is talented. I don't think u-reachile i-full potential yakhe bafethu uShabalala. What a star player, but-ke akakayi-reach i-full potential yakhe. Sonke siyazi ukuthi what he can do week in and week out. That is why ngimlimitha, ngisho ukuthi akakafiki ku-full potential. Maybe uke wafika, I've never seen him like, I want to see him becoming one of the biggest stars ku-league. I want to see him, if bayamnominate kuma-awards based on ama-performance wakhe kuma-P_S_L awards, simbone ukuthi okay ufikile umfana. But yeah, they will compete, they can compete, they have a very competitive squad, but it's all up to ama-player ukuthi what are they willing to give. Same thing uZitha Kwinika naye bekangana-chance u-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke uyisoja okwazile ukuziprova sokuledi and then bakwazi ukumnika lapha ne-contract ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ahlale. Danko bafowethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, simaking sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.